Hello and welcome. This is Beverly Fells Jones, the Silver Fox of Consciousness, and I'm just in the kitchen getting ready to make some jumbo shells. And so this video is one I made a long time ago. Actually, I took the pictures a long time ago, so you're going to be hearing a voiceover of dump cake. And a lot of you have made dump cakes before. Well, this was another one of my experiments. All right, and this dump cake, well, let me go back. Normal dump cakes use canned pie filling. There's cherry pie filling and apple pie berry and blueberry pie filling, and all the dump cake recipes, they all use pie filling, canned pie filling. Well, this dump cake recipe is having fresh apples and blackberries. So this is an apple blackberry dump cake. And again, I had apples here just sitting, and they were starting to, you know how apples start getting soft because I hadn't cooked them. So I peeled them and I sliced them up. So what are you going to do with these things? You didn't want a regular apple pie, and you know, it takes a little bit more effort. And I said, I'm just going to try dump cake. And I had the blackberries in the refrigerator, and I just said, let's try it. And man, did it come out good. So welcome to my channel. I tend to talk too much, but that's me, and tend to tell stories, but that's me. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber, welcome. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're subscribing, hit the bell so that you'll be notified when I'm uploading one of my eclectic alchemy type videos or my Beverly Fells Jones podcast videos. So let me get right to the item of talking to you about how I made this fresh fruit dump cake. Okay, I'm back now. Look at this. This is what it looks like when the dump cake is complete. And I'm using a 9-inch square cake pan. That's what I had available, and so therefore that's what I used. And so I took the time, and I used multiple, whatever apples I had. So I had Delicious and Granny Smith and all kinds of other apples. So I got them all peeled and sliced up, and I put them in the bottom of this 9-inch square cake pan. The cake pan has been greased, by the way. I put some grease on it. Here's the blackberries that I had left. I put about a quarter of a cup of sugar on them and got them all stirred up and ready. I added a little bit more. Yeah, about a third of a cup of sugar, and added those to the apples and stirred them all together so I could mix them up. A lot of times I add raisins to my apple pie, but I thought I'd try this blackberry thing this time. Well, I had a store-bought, you know, what is this, yellow cake mix, and then I had a half a stick of butter. And when dealing with this, you can choose whatever kind of yellow cake mix that you desire. I sprinkled that cake mix all over that apple and blackberry mixture, and then I dotted the butter over the top. Now you could melt the butter and pour it all over the top. I just like to dot that butter and slice it up into sections and put it on there. So I baked it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't know what that is in Celsius. I'll look that up. But baked it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or until I saw that it was done. I put a toothpick in the bottom, in the middle of it to see that it came up nicely. And as you see, some of the blackberries came to the top and some of the the apples, and it gives you a crunchy top. And let me tell you, this was really good. So I had my apple blackberry pie and some nice hot tea for dessert. And so this is a very easy and quick recipe to bake on your when you're just in a hurry and you've got some apples or you know whatever, peaches, fresh fruits. Well, this is one of my shorter videos, but I hope you enjoyed this video and gives you an idea of how to make a fresh fruit dump cake and put it in your repertoire. So thank you for being with me today and hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe and share this out to someone you know that would like to have a quick and easy dessert to make. And I will see you in the next video.